Now for the fun part. Getting out of the house. Yep. So we're gonna bust through here shortly because everybody gets all their photos. Alrighty, here we go. I'm free! Okay, somewhere under here is my snow shovel. Ah, there it is. Found it. Good. I'm gonna shovel the snow out of the house first. Never had to do this before. Well, the snow has quit. However, the wind is still blowing a gale. I don't think I've seen a storm quite like this for many, many years, if ever. I'll show you around here a little bit what it looks like. Rose garden we were in yesterday. Greens are all good then, except for otherwise everything is pretty drifted in. That's not the worst of it. Here's my front yard. To wade through significant drifts to get around. You can see here how much drifting we've had so far, and then here's the best part. Let's do some serious digging to get my car out so I can go to work tomorrow. Yeah. There we are. That is huge. Big drift. So, it'll take me all day to get this dug out. And I'm going to do it a little bit at a time. Otherwise I'm going to get hurt. Now the fun part's going to be that we can even, once we dig the cars out, we can even get out of here. That's going to be interesting. Our street is not in particularly good shape either. Still not particularly cold out. Like when I get stuff shoveled off, it starts melting and dries off pretty quickly. Just trying to get 5 feet of snow shoveled off. Here's our backyard drift. My wife wants me to get the trash out here sometime. As you can see, the trash can is at least accessible. We'll be dumping it anytime soon though. Then we go up here to drift that is almost over the fence. The interesting part is that some sections of my backyard are completely bare. Snow blew all the way.